Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a professional-grade tool made specifically for salons, spas, and wellness centers, the Dermalogic Towel Steamer 122. It's a sleek, stainless steel towel warmer designed to hold a substantial amount of towels while offering customizable temperature control. This isn't your average towel cabinet. It's a high-capacity steamer meant for serious, high-volume environments. So, if you're running a massage studio, nail bar, or barbershop, and thinking about upgrading your towel game, this might be one to watch. Now, this unit holds up to 122 towels, hence the name, and offers a temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It's manually filled, has a convenient front drainage port, and includes a low water level warning system. One standout feature, the automatic shutoff for safety, which is essential when you're operating in a busy professional space. It's built with a focus on reliability and simplicity rather than digital bells and whistles. I tested this towel steamer in a spa setting over the course of a week. Setup was straightforward. The manual water fill system might feel like a step back for those used to plumbed-in machines, but it actually offers more control in smaller spaces or locations without direct plumbing access. The heating time was reasonable. Within 25 to 30 minutes, the towels were thoroughly steamed and ready to go. What really impressed me was how evenly the towels heated. Even those on the bottom came out just as warm and moist as the ones on top. In contrast, with cheaper units, you often get hot spots and dry edges. That consistency is critical for client comfort and speaks to the build quality. However, be prepared. It's not a silent unit. The occasional gurgle from the heating element and the hum during operation could be noticeable in quieter treatment rooms. One thing that could be improved is the insulation on the outer casing. While it doesn't get dangerously hot, it does warm up quite a bit, so placement matters. Keep it away from delicate surfaces or materials. And although the steamer does shut off automatically when water runs low, it doesn't auto-refill, so you'll need to keep an eye on the water level during long shifts. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Let's break it down. The pros: high capacity, simple operation, excellent heat distribution, and essential safety features like auto shutoff and water level alerts. The build feels durable, and its stainless steel finish adds a clean, professional look to the workspace. On the flip side, manual filling can be tedious for busy staff, especially when usage is high. It also lacks a digital display, so everything is adjusted via a basic dial, which some might see as a drawback in an era of smart tech. When it comes to value for money, the Dermalogic Towel Steamer 122 sits in the mid to premium range. For what it offers, industrial-grade capacity, reliable performance, and safety, it holds its ground. You're not paying for extra features you don't need. You're paying for performance and durability. And in a salon setting, that's what matters most. Compared to smaller towel cabinets that hold 24 to 48 towels, this unit blows them out of the water in terms of output. Those models are fine for solo practitioners or mobile beauty setups, but they just can't keep up in a high turnover environment. If you're looking at alternatives, models from brands like Elite or Paragon offer comparable capacities, but often at a higher price without necessarily better performance. The overall build quality is solid. The stainless steel construction isn't just for looks. It resists corrosion, which is important in a humid, steamy environment. Over time, this means less maintenance and longer life. I haven't had this long enough to comment on long-term wear, but based on build and initial performance, it's clearly made to last. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out, but Dermalogic generally has a good track record in the professional spa equipment space. They're known for responsive service and parts availability, which is worth noting if you're investing in commercial equipment. If this unit feels too steep for your budget, there are smaller towel steamers on the market, like the Spa Luxe Mini or Elite Hot Towel Cabbie. Just keep in mind, you'll likely sacrifice capacity and potentially heat consistency. If you're running a full-service business, that trade-off could affect client experience and staff workflow. So what's the final verdict? The Dermalogic Towel Steamer 122 delivers exactly what it promises: Dependable, high-volume towel steaming in a clean, professional design. It doesn't try to be flashy. It's built for function and it performs. This is ideal for spa owners, barbers, massage therapists, and estheticians who go through dozens of towels a day. But if you're running a solo or mobile setup, it's probably more than you need. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to purchase this product in the description box or comments below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and share your experience. Do you love it, or are there quirks we missed? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.